Have you ever wondered how animals, including humans, get the nutrients they need to survive and thrive? Well, it's all about animal nutrition. This fascinating process is not just about eating and drinking, it's about how animals, in their diverse forms, consume, process, and utilize nutrients to maintain their health and energy. A balanced diet is crucial, providing all the essential vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates necessary for growth and survival. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of animal digestion. Humans, like many animals, have a complex digestive system designed to break down food and extract nutrients. Our journey through digestion begins in the mouth and buccal cavity. Here, teeth grind food into small pieces, while salivary glands produce saliva, which contains enzymes that initiate the breakdown of carbohydrates. Next, the tongue pushes this softened, enzyme-infused food into the oesophagus, a muscular tube that uses wave-like contractions, a process known as peristalsis, to transport food to the stomach. Once in the stomach, things really start to heat up. Gastric acid, a strong corrosive substance, along with powerful digestive enzymes, work together to break down the food further. This potent mix transforms the food into a semi-liquid state, making it easier for the body to absorb the essential nutrients. The journey of food doesn't stop in the stomach. It continues into the intestines. Once food leaves the stomach, it enters the small intestine, where most nutrient absorption occurs. Here, the food is met with various enzymes and bile that break it down further into absorbable particles. The inner lining of the small intestine, known as the mucosa, is covered in millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. As the nutrients pass through the wall of the small intestine, they are picked up by the bloodstream and transported to cells throughout the body. But our journey doesn't stop here. What remains, mainly water, electrolytes, and undigested food materials, then moves on to the large intestine, or the colon. The large intestine has a crucial role in absorbing the remaining water and electrolytes, turning what was a liquid concoction into a solid form, feces. These are then excreted from the body, marking the end of the digestive journey. While humans have a fairly standard digestive system, some animals have unique ways of processing their food. Grass-eating animals, or herbivores, have evolved a specialized digestive system to extract nutrients from plants. Now you might be thinking, how does it work? Well, let's start with the rumen. This is the first part of the stomach where the magic happens. Here, a mix of bacteria and other microbes ferment the plant material, breaking down the tough cellulose fibers that are otherwise indigestible. But the process doesn't stop there. The partially digested food, known as cud, is regurgitated back to the mouth. This might sound a little gross, but it's actually a crucial step. The animal then re-chews the cud, further breaking down the plant material and sending it back down for another round of fermentation. This process, known as rumination, allows herbivores to extract as much nutrition as possible from their plant-based diets. So, whether it's a cow grazing in a field or a goat munching on your garden plants, remember, their digestion is a complex and fascinating process. From large herbivores to tiny single-celled organisms, digestion varies greatly. Amoebas, single-celled organisms, have a simple yet effective way of obtaining and digesting food. They use a method called phagocytosis to engulf their food. This process involves the amoeba literally wrapping itself around the food particle, absorbing it into its own body. Once inside, the food is stored in a food vacuole, where it's broken down and digested. The amoeba then absorbs the necessary nutrients and the waste is expelled. From humans to amoebas, the process of digestion is essential for life, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth.